Hey guys, today I want to share with you one little happy news that I have. Of course, this is like holiday season and I finally decide to buy something for myself, because gifts for everyone. You need to remember to get some gifts for yourself as well. My gift this year, I got myself really nice lights. If you're gonna like them, I'm going to leave the link in the description, because I spent so much time trying to find the right one on a good budget price, and in the same time it would fulfill all of the needs what I have. So I'm gonna show you these lights, how I'm unpacking them. That's going to be in the time lapse, also how I'm setting up. And actually right now I'm leading up this scene with these new lights. So write in the comments what kind of lights do you use, and do you think to get the new one? I would like to hear it out. Also, what I really like about these lights, it has this barn doors that easy can be used for photography as well, not just videography. But my main concern was I was getting this to lighten up the scene for my vlog, and it works perfect for me. I hope you like this video. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.